Okay, so we were discussing in the previous session sine square x equal to sine square alpha, all the things like that. So I have proved the formulae like sine x equal to sine alpha. So what will be? That will be x equal to n pi plus minus 1 raised to the power n alpha, and here is n is integer. So students, I have proved this in the previous video. Now second one, cos x equal to cos alpha. I have also proved that 2n pi plus minus alpha, n is integer. So we have proved this one also. So now next one is 10x equal to 10 alpha. Yes, I have proved that. What will be? X equal to n pi plus alpha, and n is integer. I have proved this. And I also proved that sine square alpha, sorry, x equal to sine square alpha, and all others like cos square x equal to cos square alpha, and tan square x equal to tan square alpha, and cot square x equal to, these are cot square x you can do by yourself, because you know that tan and cot relations. So आपको पता है. So what is the relation? N pi plus minus alpha. N is integer. So student, we have done this one also. Okay. So now you know that, everyone know that cosec x equal to 1 upon sin x. Suppose the question says cosec x equal to cosec alpha. So what is general solution? Same one जो sin x का है. If question says sec x equal to sec alpha, so I know that this one be equal to this one. So the same of cos. If question says that cot x equal to cot alpha, so you will convert in tan x. So all the things you can do like that. Okay, so this is the general solution concept. So what about the general solution concept? I have explained you. Okay, so we can do some example like suppose in the question, find particular principal and general solution for given trigonometric equation. Like equation is, we can write here like that: cosec x minus 2 equal to 0. So I'm going to find all type of answers for that. So student, cosec x equal to 2. So I can write 1 upon sin x equal to 2. So sin x is 1 by 2. Sin x is 1 by 2. And on sin x is 1 by 2, I can make different solutions. Like I know that x equal to pi by 6 will be the answer. So particular solution. So what will be the particular solution? I know sin x is 1 by 2 at the infinite values, but the shorter one is x equal to pi by 6. That is 30 degree. Now what is the principal solution? Principal solution means solution lie between 0 to 2 pi. तो 0 से 2 पाई के बीच में जितनी भी वैल्यूज लाई करेंगी, जो sin x इक्वल टू 1 by 2 सेटिस्फाई करेंगी, वो सारे प्रिंसिपल में आएंगे. sin x सबसे पहले बात sin x पॉजिटिव है. sin x फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव होता है, sin x सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में पॉजिटिव होता है. अगर यहाँ पे उसको पाई बाय 6 वैल्यू मिली है, तो यहाँ पर क्या मिलेगी? मैंने बताया हुआ पैटर्न पाई माइनस अल्फा, तो पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6. यहाँ वैल्यू मिलेगी π/6। तो इसका मतलब है कि x इक्वल टू π/6 और पाई माइनस π/6, क्योंकि सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट में जाएगा तो 5π/6। दिस इज द प्रिंसिपल सॉल्यूशन। नाउ टेल मी द जनरल सॉल्यूशन। General solution, you know the formula already. So we know that sin x equal to 1/2, and the 1/2 I can write here like sin is π/6. So sin x equal to sin alpha. So x equal to n pi plus minus 1 power n alpha. Alpha is π/6. This is a general solution. I am quite sure these all concept you are getting. So this is the solution part for that. Solution part for that. Okay, students. So this is a solution, and this is the solution. Okay. So students, this is all from my side. Tomorrow I will discuss